Hi there, welcome back to the 365 Challenge, 365 guitar lessons in 365 days. In the last video I showed you the first of 4 voicings for a minor 7 chord using the 4 strings, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Next, just to point out that this one started with an E root note, and in the last video you would have found that we had the E, which is the root, G, minor third, and then B, which is your perfect fifth, and D, which is your minor seventh. 4 different notes, and when we do the 4 different voicings you'll see that each of the voicings starts on one of those 4 notes. And the root note for these particular chords is going to be on the 4th string. I say root note, what I should say is bass note I suppose, because E is the root note, but the lowest note is always going to be on the D string. So it was E before. The next one of those notes we're going to encounter as we go up the D string is G. So put your first finger, barring strings 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 on the 5th fret. Sorry, not 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, just 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 on the 5th fret. Put your little finger on the 7th fret of the 1st string, and your 3rd finger on the 7th fret of the 3rd string. And we play strings 1, 2, 3 and 4. So this is still the same 4 notes, it's still an E minor 7 chord, but now we've got G as the lowest note. And let's just go through those intervals again. So G is your minor 3rd. Then we've got D, which is your minor 7th. Then we've got E, which is your root note. And then we've got B, which is your perfect 5th. So, if you've memorised the first one and the second one, if you were playing something that involves playing a bar or 2 bars or many bars of E minor 7, you could go from one to the other to sort of liven things up a bit. So, that kind of thing. And it's the same chord, but it sounds pretty different. Join me in the next video for the 3rd of the 4 voicings of the minor 7th chord.